another makeup video. Today I'm gonna do a very simple makeup video. You have already seen what look I'm gonna do today. Graphic eyeliner. So let's get ready with me. Give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started. Now I'm going to prime my face with this golden rose primer. I'm going to apply it in my teething areas. Now it's time for foundation. Today I'm going to apply this beauty product. Blusher. This one is from Outdoor Girl and this one is from Lovely. I'm going to pick this shade and mix it with this baby pink shade. Now I'm going to put some highlighter from Amina. That graphic look. I'm going to apply some kajal from Pearl Fashion. Let's draw a line in your corner to the end of my eye. And then I'm going to apply some eyeliner from Golden Rose. Now I'm going to draw another liner with this glitter liner. Now I'm going to pop some mascara from this product. Now I'm going to put some falsies. Now it's time for lips. I'm going to apply this lipstick from Magic, shade No. 21.
zoom कर.
I'm done. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this look. Give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also enable the notification bell. I'll see you in my next one, inshallah. Be happy, be confident, and happy. Shish, got it.